Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today this video I will teach you how you can get loan if your salary is low, less than 3000, less than 4000, less than 5000. How you can get loan in UAE. You have to watch this video completely. I will teach you step by step what's the requirements, how you can apply and which application you need to apply, and how you can get approve your loan. So you have to watch this video completely. Whatever I say, you just need to follow that one. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I have one other channel where I have 22,000 subscribers, but that channel have been English Urdu language video, but this channel I make for that people who will understand English language. So today this video I will teach you how you can get loan in UAE if your salary is low. You see here more banks there if you apply for loan, but their requirement salary is 5000. More people need a loan in UAE, but this application I will share you, there no have salary requirements, no have more documents required. Just need your Emirates ID and mobile number and your face verification. These three things if you have, you can apply from this application for get loan. This application first time they give you loan 1500, second time they give you 3000, third time they give you 5000. But this is requirements. If you installment give time to time, don't be delay for one day. If you delay one day, next time this application not approve your loan. So you have to pay his installment time to time, yeah, before time. Okay, this application name is Cashnow application. I have more videos about this application. I have also get loan in this application. First time I get 1300, second time I get 3000, third time I get 5000. More if you pay installments time to time, you get more loan from this application. This application documents required just your Emirates ID and mobile number and face verification. You no need any salary certificate, you no need any salary requirements 5000, you no need any other additional documents. Just need your Emirates ID, original Emirates ID, they will scan that application, and your mobile number and face verification, and one account which one receive your loan. Okay, these four things you have to do. If you have, you can apply from this application. This application more people get rejected his loan because they not follow the requirements. With whatever requirements, first of all I will tell you, just you need to apply. When you apply, you just give your information clearly, correct information you have to give. The application asks you two friends mobile number, but you have to give that two friends mobile number which one is working. Okay, that two numbers you have to give. Last, this application will be ask you IBAN number, which one you receive your loan. There you have to give your Emirates NBD bank IBAN number. If you not have Emirates NBD IBAN number, you can open due pay wallet account. There you get your Emirates NBD bank IBAN number. This is totally free, not required any salary, not required any other information, other additional documents. Due pay can you open from your mobile within 5 minutes. You can open that one, and there you get your Emirates NBD IBAN number. That IBAN number you have to use your Cashnow for receiving loan. And basically this application more approved loans in if people apply from iPhone. I have also before I apply for from Android, but my loan is rejected. More time I will apply, but that loan again and again they will reject. After that I will apply from iPhone and I will use due pay wallet IBAN number. Then after that that application approve my loan. So you have also use these things to get your loan approved. How you can apply this is already I have my video in my other channel. I will try to make here also in English language. That video link I will give you description. You have to watch that video and you can apply from there step by step how you can do process that one. This video I just give you information how you can get loan in UAE if your salary is low. I hope you understand how you can get loan in UAE if your salary is low. My English is not perfect, but I will teach you. I give you my best. I will make you give you information my best how you can understand. If there have any mistake, just ignore it. And if you not subscribe my channel, so you must to have to subscribe my channel for more videos about English language. Thank you.